and here I come. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Arindam and you are watching the Teaching Doc. And a few months back I was in a very depressed mood and I made a video that I don't have time to upload my photos into any agencies anymore because I am busy during the day with COVID duties and I am busy during the night with my boy, right? My baby boy. But I decided to submit in Wirestock and that was also not doing any good for me. So I made a challenge to myself and I made a video as well that I will continue to contribute to Wirestock till I get 500 photos in my portfolio, and by then if I don't get any sale then I will quit Wirestock. It's not the effort. Then I will continue submitting manually somehow into various other agencies, right? Since then, definitely if you have been in touch with my channel, I definitely got sales in Wirestock. I made videos about that as well. However, if you are seeing this video directly after that video, then this video is my 4 months update and experience on Wirestock. And if that is the case, it means you are not connected to my channel, right? So you should hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell and hit all notification turned on so that you don't miss any videos. Now let's get to the video. Right off the bat, let me tell you, my Wirestock portfolio is not 500 images, okay? It's 461 images only, but I am submitting daily, not daily, at least once in a week I'm definitely submitting. So my portfolio is slowly growing. I had some rejections, but I'm not showing it over here because I have deleted them. Anyway, those are not worth it. Now let's see how's the result based on my images of 460. So this is my total earnings, right? This is my total earnings since last 4 months. You can see I started submitting in November. I got my first sale in December, $0.38. Let me zoom it for you so that you can actually see the figure. How is it looking? You can see in the month of December I got 38 cents of sale. Then month of January, $4.69. February it was very good, $5.24. March again $4.82, and 8 days of April not very good, $0.27. So total my sales are $15.4, right? One thing, it's visible, I had 12 sales in Adobe Stock and it gave me $9.04, $9.04, whereas maximum sales, that is the normal phenomenon with everybody, is in Shutterstock, and that gave me a revenue of $2.37. And this is the number of referral download. I posted my referral link and it's the download that you guys had. So it means you guys are also having success, and this $4 I owe to you guys, right? So if you haven't signed up in Wirestock yet, I'll leave my referral link in the video description. That is fine. If you have not already signed up, you can do that. But one thing, if you have been seeing my earnings videos since last 4 months, definitely I earn much more from my residual portfolio in all other agencies. I earn above $200 per month, right? So you can tell me this is very low, right? Yes, I agree with you, this is very low, but I don't have time to upload anymore, right? So these 460 photos that have been exposed to the world would have been lying in my hard drive anyway, so nothing hurts, right? So this $15.4 has been earned without any effort. Well, not without any effort, I had to upload them, but fine, my portfolio is growing. It's a numbers game, you know. The growth is actually very, I won't say exponential, but it definitely varies with the number of quality content. So when it's 461, my earning is low. I'm sure when I hit 3,000 to 4,000 photos in my portfolio, the numbers will be multiplied much more than 4 or 5 times. So this is my total earning in my Wirestock account. If you are having a problem in language, if you're having a problem in keyword titling, description, then I think you should definitely check out Wirestock, right? That's agencies for you. But if you are having time, you have got already sorted workflow, that you can upload in all other agencies by yourself, I don't think Wirestock is worth it in that case. It is much better that you upload individually to all other agencies. Why give them some commission? Because Wirestock is not doing it for free. It's actually deducting something from your total earnings as well. So if you don't have time, and if you are having problem in titling and keyword and description and categorization, everything, definitely Wirestock is very worth it. For a busy person like me, it's completely worth it, I will say. But the moment I get some time, I will definitely try to manually upload to all other agencies, because the portfolio size in Shutterstock also matters, and if you stop uploading altogether, your income will slowly subside because your portfolios are downgraded due to dormancy. That's it. This is my update in Wirestock. Let me know in the comment section how your uploading experience and your sales experience is in Wirestock. So if you're watching this video till now, please type in code of the day balance. If you type balance in the comment section, I will know you are watching this video till now and you are supporting my efforts. Please share this video with your friends, photographers and cousins who love photography, because our aim here is to build a strong community of stock photographers who can earn something from their passion. Please feel free to join my Facebook group as well. Over there we discuss many more things. Those who are interested in joining the membership, they can click the join button and join the channel membership. We make exclusive videos for members. You have access to my portfolio and personal suggestions in WhatsApp and messengers, because otherwise I have so many thousands of pending messages in Messenger and other Instagram that I am not able to reply. Definitely I try to reply all YouTube comments, so that's your choice. Anyways, thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you with another video. Till then, bye and take care.